You can't make this up. The Speedtail is back. What the hell? Oh, that's sick. Look at that thing. Now that is a car, a Ferrari 360 Challenge Stradale. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All the way from Utah. Oh yeah, performance, now that's sick. So sick. Yes sir, a blue 720S. Whoa. Catch the 720S leaving. Out of nowhere, a white Ferrari 812 super fast. That's nice. Right beside the 812, an AMG GTR coming through. Or maybe not coming through, but taking a little spin. No, I don't think the dog likes the GTR. Back to the A12, you got the Ferrari naturally aspirated V12 front engine with nearly 800 horsepower, over 700 pound-feet of torque, and one of the last NA V12 Ferraris. Oh, GT3 RS 991.1. In orange, Lamborghini Urus. Not a bad color. A black GTR Roadster. That's really, really clean. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a Rolls-Royce Wraith and a Lamborghini Murcielago and a dark red Ferrari 812 Superfast. Friday night, got some cool cars, red 812, a Mercy, and a Wraith. Not bad. Saturday is proving to be a pretty good day so far. First, a black GT and a white Urus right as I get here. And let's hope the cars keep coming. The Lambo just set off the car alarm. The man with the red 812 is back. Look at that car. The lines on that car are simply phenomenal. The V12. Yeah. Just rode up to the In-N-Out and there's a baby blue Urus just sitting here. And honestly, this is probably the best spec I've ever seen. It's a baby blue with like crystals with a white and black interior. This right here is what everybody would like imagine when you just say Ferrari. A very classic tan with a red exterior color. Very nice Portofino though. Apart from maybe the blue colored Urus at the In-N-Out last night, yellow with the black wheels probably got to be one of the best, if not maybe like the second best option to choose on a Urus other than the blue. And if you look carefully, these calipers are bigger than a Chiron's calipers. Holy shit, look at this R8. Oh, that is the best RA I've ever seen. Holy. Gold stripes and a red stripe. Oh, there you go. Not bad. Very rare to see one of these, but when I see them, god damn, they're gorgeous. This has got to be the world's smallest front splitter I've ever seen on any car. Also, while the car was driving around, I didn't notice the like frozen rose gold wheels it has. AMG GTC, or sorry, GT4 in black. Nice little revs. Car spotting in the WOW just by lockers. A random Ferrari 488 Pista.